Hello again. I almost started without you. Hi, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the studio gallery. And I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas and an OXO omelet turning spatula. And I want to spread a nice heavy layer of black paint. And then I want to take my palette knife, which I have handy, and or this OXO omelet turning spatula that you can find on my Amazon link, where you can shop at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. I discovered this at a local store and everybody seems to be appreciative, but everybody's offering it too. So I thought I'd mention the link tree holds my Amazon link and it's right under the video. It's all kinds of cool stuff there actually. So I'm going to give myself a little more black if this doesn't cover, because I want a heavy enough layer to put some colors on my palette knife and smear them. Thank you, Gail, for the word, or your culture, or whatever. It's a great word, schmear. I like schmutz personally. Well, not in my painting, but I like the word. So, I covered my sides, so I'm going to try and avoid picking this up. This is all about the schmears. And I think if I leave that someplace I can get to it, I might want to use it again. So, being that I have Hot Orchid from Color Art, and I just ordered another couple, I'm going to go ahead and give myself some of that to begin with. Just to start. It occurs to me that my Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold is the next place I want to start. And I'm not going to try and keep the colors separate. I may tip. It's always possible. That's a turquoise flash from Folk Art. I'm looking to see if some of these will sell. I'm not going to worry about drips if I can help it. This is a wonderful experiment that I've wanted to try for a few days. Because I can, the name of my first book. It's on the Amazon link. I think I'm being called to the Venetian Blue. Where are you, Venetian Blue? There you are. From Modern Masters. And I think I could probably put my colors... Oh yeah. I wonder how that's going to dry. I want to try a little something on right on the canvas. And see what the difference is between adding it to the canvas and smearing it and adding it to the palette knife and smearing it. I am having a good time though. I've got some Modern Masters. Whatever this color is, it's very coppery. And I can probably find out if I look in a moment or some other time. You guys are always welcome to ask me questions if you would like. I wonder if you start with a smear and then you move on to tipping. I'm loving the colors that are stuck on my palette knife. This is just pretty. I'm having a good time. I didn't use any regular turquoise and I think I want some. I tried to reorganize my whole studio. I think I'm going to give myself permission to scrape off, long stretch, into one of these little dishes so I have less stuff on my palette knife. And I'm going to wipe it off on my Lolafi silicone mat because that seems like a good idea to me. That's where I recover all of my paint. Yeah, I'm happy with that. This is fun. Now, other than adding some orange, which does occur to me, I'm not sure what to do. I kind of want to pull out my airbrush for a second, just to see what, if I can start with a smear and end with a blow. I'm not sure. I'm not too worried about that actually right now. I do think I could probably just create a painting with by pouring bottles on. I like the white celled. The thickness of my paint was good. A good thickness. I've got more orchid, but do I really want to do anything to it? I kind of do. Maybe a few just spontaneous marks without worrying too much. Well, I say that now. I'm going to use a skewer to integrate things. I could probably also put spirals in there. I'm really tempted to see what that would look like. Why not? I do stuff because I can. I don't really want to do a whole lot more to this. It's just simple and fairly elegant, just the way it is. I say that, but you know you can't trust me. I'm going to use some Venetian blue and some Folk Art color shifting purple. And should I wipe off my blade? I think maybe I will try that. I actually have a damp studio rag, and I don't know why I wasn't going directly for that. Alright, I like my negative space so much that I don't think I want to do much more. I am going to torch, and I'm going to think for another minute about adding some more of the white metallic from Anita's. I don't really want to though. Now, should I try a smaller swipe tool? Shall I see how the spatula works? That's not hurting my feelings any. I think I could probably do that down here as well. And I think that worked really well. So, do I want to keep going? Somebody's like, you will anyway. I heard you! Couple dots here and there maybe? Just for grins? Reminds me of feathers for some reason. I don't know about that last one. I wasn't too preoccupied with that last one. Now I could definitely dip into a little container if I wanted to and dot things. Maybe I'll just show you how that works. Small container, nice paintball on the end of a skewer, and dot. Because I can. So I love you guys. There's 91,000 of you finally. It took forever. And I'm really happy that you're here. Thank you for joining me. If you're looking for more, if you're new, please be welcomed. If you're looking for more videos, I have lots. I have 1,700 videos, or I'm starting the 1,700 list. So I have 1,600 and almost 1,700. I think I have 1,700, honestly. So just a few dots, and I'm sure there's going to have to be something else. I'm just going to go ahead and try the orchid. This is just an abstract expressionist composition, basically. And I'm liking the simplicity of it, to tell you the truth. I kind of want something else over here. Maybe what I really want is a little bit more. Oh, I wasn't planning on gold. But I don't have a lot of gold, so that's okay. And I did see that I had schmutz on my spatula, so I love you guys, and if you want to help me out, you can watch the video longer. A thumbs up is appreciated. Thank you for liking my videos. I appreciate that. I've got some nice cells here, and I could probably have some more if I'm willing to swipe into that nice layer of wet paint. It's not too deep. I don't think I need a whole lot more than I've got. I say that now, but you know you can't trust me. As long as I've got a tool in my hand, I'm probably going to keep playing. But by the same token, it's time to torch and say thank you for all of the contributions that help keep me painting. If you are somebody who can afford to help me continue making videos and you would like to make a contribution, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes, which are usually always paintings and sometimes a book, on the exhibition video that I have put on the end screen of every video. If I need to touch up my black tomorrow, I will around the edges, but there isn't, it's not too bad. I just mixed new black with some Anita's black and some latex house paint in Onyx from Walmart and my leftovers, and I like the coverage is pretty good. But usually I need 2 coats dry to begin to do things. So, Linktree has Pixels, Instagram, Pixels.com for Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, and Teespring. Wait a minute, and Twitter. I'm all confused. Teespring clothing is under the video. It has all-over print leggings and all-over print t-shirts. And should you ever desire, I want some gold dots in there. Should you ever desire to have something of mine made up and added to Teespring, let me know. I got a tickle, sorry. And I will do my best to add it. Same thing if you find something that you love and you'd like a nice canvas print. Find Art America at Pixels.com. I will add something there too. I gotta stop now. I don't want to go dotty. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, check my community board for tomorrow's video. Check my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, if you're a student or you're looking for tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums where you can see what I've edited so far from the YouTube artworks. My Amazon link has my books, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities, along with all kinds of other stuff. I think I mentioned that. And I said about the videos. The videos, you can find the videos on all playlists, created playlists. And if you are interested in purchasing an artwork, I need the hashtag from the title. And you can also contact me with that same email by looking under the link tree for my email, easpb, the word gallery, @gmail.com. If you have questions, please feel free to ask them. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe for my pouring medium mixture, at the moment, until I try something new, and I'm hoping to try something new soon, I use 3/4 Floetrol and 1/4 GAC 800. GAC 800 is in all my mixes. Keeps my paint not only from cracking, but it gives a nice glossy finish to everything. So I love you guys dearly. I hope you come again soon. Please watch longer and watch when the notifications come out. I don't have lots of viewers, but I have 91,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to help me, you certainly can. Wow, I wasn't in frame. I do so apologize. Maybe I should zoom in and show you some cells. Maybe I should not. I just like it. I'll try. Yeah, there we go. It reminds me of toll painting, actually. It's a pretty simple concept. Just smear away. But I like it. And I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. And I will see you. There we go. Anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.